Distinguishing digital currency and cryptocurrency. What is digital currency? By definition, a cryptocurrency is a digital currency, i.e. money issued in a digital form and used over the internet, which can represent fiat money under a government guarantee such as fiat money in internet banking, or e-wallets. Cryptocurrencies are formed when you put an amount of cash in the bank, then the bank will enter this amount into the user's account, from which we can transact just by entering the number. It can be said that digital currency is different from cash in that it is the number of your property, guaranteed by reputable places to transfer it to another place, will be accepted by the other party. Cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is actually a form of electronic money, but instead of being issued or guaranteed by any government or monetary authority in any country, cryptocurrency is issued by blockchain project creators. Sometimes, these people can be anonymous, write a few lines of code and create a lot of cryptocurrency. But the value of cryptocurrencies is only accepted by the community when it is widely used, not by a bank or any reputable organization that guarantees that we can keep these coins in exchange for fiat money. This problem creates meme coins, or scam coins, that make many people lose money because they cannot be sold to anyone. That creates a lot of bad reputation for cryptocurrencies. So in a nutshell, cryptocurrency can be seen as a small part of cryptocurrencies. In this article, I will use the words cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency to talk about crypto to make it easier for you to understand the content of the article. Types of cryptocurrencies. In order to have the most overview as well as understand what kind of assets you intend to invest or hold, here we will learn each type of cryptocurrency circulating on the crypto market, to understand the potential of such as its risks. Currently on the market there are two ways to classify cryptocurrencies: coins and tokens. Bitcoins and altcoins. Coins and tokens in cryptocurrency. Coin is a currency that is issued, developed on a separate blockchain and operates independently. Coin was born with the purpose of solving the problems of payment, finance, security, application development, etc. of the blockchain itself. Each blockchain has only one unique coin. For example, Bitcoin network has a coin of BTC. Ethereum has a coin called Ether. There is also Cardano with ADA, Stellar with XLM, Litecoin with LTC. What are tokens? Similar to coin, token is also a coin issued on the blockchain, but it does not have its own blockchain, but must live on another blockchain. For example, Konomi's token, is a token because it is stored and traded on the Ethereum blockchain. Mercurial token, is a token because it is stored and transacted on the Solana blockchain. Neither has a Konomi or Mercurial blockchain. Some tokens, when the project grows strong enough, will aim to develop a separate blockchain platform for the token itself, and then this token will be considered as a coin. Example, before the mainnet, Sol's token, was a token stored and transacted on Ethereum. But after mainnet, Solana has a private blockchain, now Sol becomes a coin on Solana blockchain. Other tokens can be created on Solana blockchain. Like and subscribe our channel.